Hey Queens, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm greeting you according to your time and location. You're highly welcome to Uzi Hair Lounge, a channel that got you covered for latest nail designs and hairstyles. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're just hearing this voice for the very first time and you're yet to subscribe, or you have been watching my videos but you haven't joined the family yet, please kindly join us today, okay? Hit the subscribe button, then remember to turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our videos as soon as we upload them here in this channel. Just don't forget to turn on your bell notification because we got you covered for latest and stylish nail designs that will definitely elevate your look. That will take your nail game to the next level. So do join us today and you'll be glad, okay? You'll be glad you did. So ladies, today's video is not an exception as I've carefully selected most elegant and cute nail art designs for my ladies. Gorgeous acrylic nails ideas to keep you elevated. Okay, so guys, do watch the video from beginning to the end. That's just when I say can I fall in love with the amazing collections that we have here. These are unique nails, okay, and we have it in different nail shapes, different nail designs. Okay? Cute nail art design. Okay, just to watch, kindly make your selections, select your most loved ones, and remember to share to your family and friends so they can also be part of this beautiful videos. And please, as you watch through, kindly do what to like this video. Guys, give the video a thumbs up. That is one way of saying thank you and for telling us to bring more ideas to you. Okay, so please do support us today and we'll keep bringing mind-blowing videos to you. And also share this video, comment, okay, drop your love in the comment section. Tell us, will you be trying any of these nails? Just let us know in the comment section as we're looking forward to seeing you again in our next video. Bye guys.